Hello students, welcome back to Simple English with Ivy Cat. Have you ever wanted to disagree with someone in English but worried you might sound rude? You're not alone. Disagreeing can be tricky, but today I'll show you how to do it politely, naturally, and confidently. By the end of this video, you will have real phrases, examples, and even a practice scenario to try for yourself. The key to polite disagreement is to start soft. Instead of jumping straight to "I disagree," try a polite opener first. For example, "I see your point, but that's interesting, though I feel a bit differently. I understand what you're saying, however." Here's an example. Your colleague says, "I think we should work late every night this week to finish the project." You could reply, "I see your point, but maybe working smarter, not longer, could also help us meet the deadline." See how much softer that sounds? Framing means setting the stage before giving your opposite view. This helps the other person feel respected. Useful frames include, "That's a valid point. I agree with part of what you're saying. Have you considered this angle?" Here's an example. Your friend says, "I think social media is a waste of time." You could reply, "That's a valid point. It can be distracting, but I think it also helps us stay connected with people we don't see often." Sometimes most powerful ways to disagree is actually to pause. Instead of rushing to defend your point, a few seconds of silence shows you're listening and thinking. It also gives the other person space to reflect. Here's an example. In a heated meeting, instead of interrupting, pause, nod, and then calmly say, "I understand your concern. Let's also look at this option." That calmness often has more impact than quick words. Politeness isn't just in your words, it's in your body language too. Keep your tone calm and steady. Smile slightly or keep a neutral expression. Use open gestures like relaxed hands instead of pointing. These nonverbal cues can soften even strong disagreements. Now let's practice together. Imagine this. You're in a group project and one teammate says, "We should present with a lot of text on the slides. It's more professional." What could you say politely? Try thinking of your own version now. Say it out loud. So remember, disagreeing doesn't have to be uncomfortable. Use polite openers, framing, strategic pauses, and positive body language to keep the conversation smooth. And don't forget to practice. The more you use these phrases, the more natural they'll feel. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and share this video with a friend who's learning English too. See you in the next lesson.